Now we're going to make what is, I think, the most loved Thai soup of every Western person I know. And of course, I'm talking about Tom Kha Gai. It is creamy coconut soup with chicken and mushrooms. I think this is the most loved Thai soup because all the Thai flavors come together in one soup. So for this soup we have coconut milk, and we like to use this Weeri brand, mostly because of the nice lady. I don't know why, but Thai brands love to have people on there as a picture. And also, not very unimportant, I think this brand is the one I found which has the most concentrated coconut in it. This one has 81.82%, and the more expensive brands sometimes have less coconut, sometimes even 70%, and you pay more. So Weeri brand, nice lady, 82% coconut. We have the coconut cream. I put it on medium high, and then I will pour in 1/3 of the coconut cream. I don't put everything in now because when you heat coconut cream too much, the oil will separate from the other liquids. So then you will have a really oily soup. So when this is in, you can already put the aromas in. So we have lemongrass, and then also the Galangal. And for the lime leaves, I like to crush them in my hand. So also the aromas will already release. And I put it in. So let the aromas come to a gentle simmer. It's already smelling really nice. When it comes to a boil, we can add in the chicken. And you want to cook the chicken gently until you cannot see any pink of the chicken anymore. So the chicken has been cooking for a while now. Then we will add the mushrooms. I like to put in a lot of mushrooms. Okay, so when the mushroom is shrinking a little bit, it's time to add the rest of the coconut milk. Okay, now we will let this come to a boil, and then we will let it simmer very gently until all the mushrooms are soft. Okay, so now the soup has come to a boil, and then we can lower the heat to let it simmer gently. So simmer for about 5 to 10 minutes until the biggest mushrooms are soft. Okay, so through the magic of time, the mushrooms are nice. So now we're going to flavor and finish the soup. Therefore we will need fish sauce, lime juice, and chilies. I think for 1 liter you will need about 1 or 2 tablespoons. So we will start with 1 tablespoon first. One tablespoon. So we will start with 1 whole lime first, and when it's not sour enough we can always add more. Taste. Already such a world of difference. But for me it's not sour enough and not salty enough. So I will add about 1 tablespoon of fish sauce, and also I will add a little bit of salt, just about a teaspoon or so. Some recipes will also use chicken stock, but I don't think it's really necessary, so that's why I don't use it. But if you like chicken stock, you can just add a stock cube, but then you have to use less fish sauce. So okay, some more, and then taste again. nice and sour. It needs to be like a little bit sour, because if it's not sour, it's not tom kha gai. So we will add some chili, a little bit for color. I think the authentic Thai people will make this soup very spicy. But again, you can make it as spicy as you want, but just it needs a little bit spice. We can turn off the heat, and then we will add the spring onion and some coriander or cilantro on top. And then we can put it in a bowl. So there's a trick to not to drip. You get it out, you dip it once and then immediately go in. And there you have it, your most favorite soup. You're welcome. For the full recipe, you can check the description below. And if you want to have more food inspiration, please make sure to hit like and subscribe. And see you the next time.